One more scream. Good Slovenian wine before the scream. Okay. Wonderful scream, but I'm sorry to say that you did not win.
The white lady, not the white lady.
So we would like to announce the Grossman Fantastic Film and Wine Festival to beyond me. Anyway. Oh, it's so beautiful. Can I just try it on? Oh, how does it look? I miss these days. How do I look? I'm ready for my...
En applauso pieno.
I'm ready for my close-up.
Večno. Kraljico krika.
Kraljica krika. To announce tomorrow
Grossmannovega Kraljice krika,
the winner of the Kraljica krika. And it was all your guys' idea and my fabulous story. Leo, Dan, Vlaj, Urska, thank you so much for this new edition of the festival. The diploma. I forgot all about. This is a diploma. We must ask Nan Golan if with this diploma you can show up in Hollywood and get a job. Okay? So please, we must picture together.
Where is Jesus? Yeah.
And of course, last but not least, is the Motorola phone. And tomorrow, your stream will be my ringtone for 3 months. Yeah? Everywhere I go, in Hollywood, Miami, Paris, every time somebody calls me, I will listen to you. I always get a lot of calls, and you will be my scream queen.
Darren, maybe just 2 words before she goes down the stage. Why the jury decided that she was the best?
Okay.
One of the best. Zakaj je žirija izbrala kot eno izmed finalist? Moramo še slišati na mojde iz odra.
I would like to also ask the audience, can maybe one person representing you guys say why did you choose Tamara? Can we have an answer? Anybody? Anybody? Why did you guys choose Tamara? You guys chose Tamara. Anybody know why you chose Tamara? She was the best. I'm going to let the jury tell you why we chose Tamara.
Odločitev ni bila lahka, na začetku, ampak na koncu je postalo očitno, da to je tisti glas, ki lahko skoraj šipe in kozarce lomi, tako da jaz mislim, da ste skupaj z nami izbrali tisto, ki se je res zaslužila nagrado. Še en aplavz za Novoroko.
Še en aplavz za živijo, prosim. In če lahko še zaključek za našo lovely Diane Barrows. Še en aplavz.
Thank you, everybody. I'm very happy to be here at this festival. I'm having a great time. And I just want to say, have a best time tonight. Enjoy it to the fullest, to the last minute. And I want to thank everybody at Grossman, the organization, for having me here as a guest. And viva la Scream Queen!